So in this video, I'm going to show you what to do when you go to connect a Wi-Fi network, just like this, as you can see on your screen, and it shows you connected but no internet. So if you're a fan of phone tips, tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So all you have to do is make sure that as you can see right there, when you're connected to this hotspot like this on the Wi-Fi, it shows you connected but not internet. So make sure that the connected Wi-Fi has data bundles. Basically, it usually happens when that network you're connecting to has no data bundles. If you can control that by purchasing from the hotspot, do that so well so that you can get over this problem. So that is what usually brings about that first thing. That is the first circumstances in which it comes about. Then if you really want to do that, the second thing that can bring about this problem, that the data connection from the hotspot is not current. So to make sure that you access the internet, be sure to put the data connection on that particular hotspot where the Wi-Fi is coming from, so that you get this problem sorted. So if you're picking value in this video, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family for more of these nice tech tips, tricks, so that you learn to use your phone better and become a tech pro. So thanks for watching. See you next time.